What's going on, tubers? We were at Blackmans for a open lot day. Naturally, I brought my 50. Gonna get her warmed up. It's a little cold today, but it's all good. Wicked excited. There's all kinds of shit here today.
Sign the paper?
Yeah, I got the sticker somewhere up here. It might fall off though.
Yeah, don't mark up the lot.
Yep. Circle wheelie action. This is so much fun. Oh man. Grom action. Wish I still had my Grom. Thanks, man. Yeah, right? Hell yeah, dog. I'm a little rusty, but oh shit, look at that. Nice. Oh shit. Nasty. Oh shit, we got a crash. Seems to be alright. Circle wheelie game. Yeah, dog. Gromming it. KTM is so sick. Damn! Mini bike next to two FZs? Ha! Oh shit! Here we go! Dylan! Yeah! Oh shit, we got a little race here! Yo, this is awesome. So listen to this, tubers. Yesterday, I had a local guy stop by my house on his KTM. Basically, I was just working on the 50 in the garage, and all of a sudden I see an orange front fender pull up. He was on a 17 EXCF 500, and he was telling me all kinds of shit about it, but long story short, we're gonna meet up and do a little bike swap. He's gonna go ahead and ride my supermoto. I'm gonna go ahead and ride his bike. Tell you guys how I like it. Mini bike soccer. What? No hands! Yeah! We need an actual soccer ball.
That was top skill,
Sweet bike, bro. Alright, that's an official goal. Get it! Oh shit! that pass? Yeah!
I got it.
Oh, shit. Block, bitch! See how that works? We cheat up in here! Ow, 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 Whoa! Go! Go! No! I think this parking lot is like just big enough to have a shitload of fun. Oh yeah. See if I can bust out some circles around these here tires. Yeah. Not bad. Damn, that bike is fat as hell. All kinds of bikes here today, yo. Like, all kinds. Damn, look at that fender doing work. YSD 450R, baby. Special edition? This joint is nasty. Damn, yo, I didn't expect there to be this many people here. This is fucking awesome. My ass! There we go, nice and smooth. Dude, look at this. No way. What the fuck, man? Yo, that is gnarly. Yeah! Yeah, dog! What's up? Can I go the whole way? No, tubers, I'm worn out. You have no idea. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some drags. Ooh. I shifted and it just went back. Oh, my ass! Yeah.
What happened?
I upshifted.
Oh.
I left in a wheelie and it just... It'll be good for YouTube. Yeah.
Look at you. Oh, dude, you're bleeding.
I know.
Get it on your pants. It'll come off. Probably just fucking scared you.
I upshifted.
Did you get anything or?
No. As soon as I take my gloves off.
That's always what happens.
Oh.